2, 1, go!
Off and away for qualification match number 3. It starts off with Skunkworks dropping off a cube for 6 for the Blue Alliance. They immediately run to the line of game pieces in front of them, pick up the cone, and they've got just a couple seconds here to drop it off for score. It looks like they do so on the bottom row, but they're not quite able to get balanced onto the charge station in time before the autonomous period expires. That's going to lead you to a score of 15-9 favoring blue. Both alliances will need the full gamut of 5 links to accrue the sustainability rank point in this one. Not able to score quite enough in the co-op zone during that autonomous period. Both alliances converging towards center field, looking to scoop up some of these remaining game pieces you see in center field. One of those cubes slowly makes its way into the Seattle-based machine of the Robo Raiders. They run off down the field now. It looks like they'll aim to drop it off in that center node, the cooperation node, as it were. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance with 2 machines in the blue loading zone. One of those Tequila's Phoenix Force. Human player gesturing enthusiastically here, drive the robot forward, push back a little bit. They nearly knock the cone off as they try to pick it up, and they'll go ahead and reset and try that one again. Their alliance partners are back at the Blue Alliance wall, helping put up the 33-point score you see so far. That was NRG dropping off a lower row cube for 2 points, and now their alliance partners will come in. That's Phoenix Force with a cone ready to go on the middle row for 3 points, and they'll be able to drop that off successfully. Cube's getting jostled actually out of the wall there by NRG as they make their way back across the field. Their alliance partner coming in to clean up some of the mess. NRG now back in the loading zone, but they have to spin back around and dance this time with Neobots from Arlington. Neobots hanging out in center field. Never able to miss that robot. Just look for the neon panels, and if you're ever looking for the drivers, look for the neon outfits. One of the most decorated teams here. Looks like they're still figuring out what their strategy is for this qualification match. Although they hear that endgame whistle sound, and it looks like they will slowly make their way towards the charge stations. Alliance seemingly lining up. Bit of a strategy thought ahead here. Our first one to jump will be the Neobots. They get that platform sloped down, but then it slopes the wrong way as they wait for the Robo Raiders to come join them. NRG spastically bouncing around now on the Blue Alliance charge station. It comes unbalanced as the alliance partner now jumps as well. Phoenix Force applying quite a force. Skunkworks as well to that charge station. Looks like we will have one Red Alliance machine docked and engaged there at the end of our qualification round. That's going to be the Neobots for Red. We'll get a final score to you momentarily. Match 3 is in the books. Your final score for the Blue Alliance victory. 66 points blue to 35 points red. And each of those Blue Alliance teams will start their average rank point off with 2. Quals match 4. We'll get that set up and ready for you here in just a moment. Stay tuned.